friends, welcome back to Ace Router Sales Podcast. I want to thank all those that have been leaving comments, suggestions for any specific topics that you like us to talk about. Therefore, that brings me to my next topic, which goes hand in hand with the previous episode. This one has to do with how to establish a credit history. We get this question all the time from young buyers that are in the market, and they come here and they always say, well, how can I start credit if nobody wants to give me credit? And that's a really good point. They are frustrated because they go to different places and they are told that they do not qualify to finance a vehicle.
No, God, please, no, no, no!
Now, the next question that we always get is, how can I have credit if nobody wants to give me any credit? And that's a really good valid point. Now, there's two different ways, and there's really simple ways to start a credit history. One, you can go to your local bank or credit union and you can request what is called a secure credit card. Now, it works usually like this. They give you a credit card for a specific amount that you give up front. For instance, you can request a secure credit card for $500. Now, what's going to happen, they're going to give you a limit on your credit card for $500, and you're going to be able to use those $500 limit to buy different items. Every month, you're going to be making purchases, and every month, you're going to be paying your monthly payment. What that's going to do for you is going to create an activity in your credit bureau, and eventually, a few months later, it's going to generate a score. When you're ready to finance a vehicle, you're going to have much more favorable terms. The other option that you have is a secure loan or beginner's loan. It kind of works the same way like the secure credit card. The difference is that you don't have to give you money up front. On the secure credit card, you gave you money up front for the specific limit that you wanted to have on your credit card. In this scenario, usually credit unions, they don't ask for the money up front. What they do is they structure the loan for a specific number of months, and you're going to be making monthly payments on that loan. At the end of the term, they're going to give you money back, but the most important thing is that they report to the credit bureau, and it's going to do the same thing like the secure credit card. Is going to generate an activity on your credit report. After a few months, it's going to generate a credit score, giving you a much more favorable terms when you're ready to come to Ace Router Sales and purchase a vehicle here with us. Now, you might say, well, I'm still a first-time buyer because I haven't purchased a vehicle or I haven't financed a vehicle. Well, indeed you are, but the major difference are that you're going to have a credit score, and the vast majority of banks and credit unions, they determine the interest rate they're going to give you based on your credit score. So even though you might still be a first-time buyer because you haven't purchased or financed a vehicle in the past, the term and the interest rate they're going to give from the bank are going to be much favorable to you. Therefore, your monthly payment will be much lower. So there you have it, my friends. Those are two general easy ways to start a credit history. Obviously, there are many other ways, but in this episode, I just wanted to talk about those two easy ones. When you're ready to purchase your next vehicle, you're going to be better informed and you're going to save a lot of money by getting a much lower interest rate on the next purchase. Now remember, if you have any questions about this topic, you're more than welcome to call at 928-783-9462. That is 928-783-9462. Remember, we have professional sales staff that are eager to answer any questions that you might have. So please do not hesitate to give us a call, or you can come visit us at the corner savings of A Street and Magnolia right next to AutoZone, or visit us at yumaacrouter.com. And remember to stay tuned and follow us on Instagram and Facebook at A Street Auto. Send your comments, suggestions of any specific topic that you want us to talk about in future episodes. Stay tuned and stay safe, my friends. We'll see you next time.